Today we have here the Anxre Selfie Stick, and we are going to unbox this selfie stick today. Let's see what comes in the package. Alright, there's this thing. Not sure what that is yet. It's packed in there pretty tightly. Alright, we got a couple pieces. 2-year warranty. We have the user manual, and we have the stick itself. Now this selfie stick is a longer one. I think this one is, it's 60 inches. Comes with a charging cable. Oh, I believe the lights. Alright, so these are the lights. And let's see how these lights go on. They just snap to the side, it looks like. Alright, definitely editing this out. So this selfie stick opens up like this, and the lights go on either end, it looks like. They slide right on there. It's pretty bright. You can change the color of the light from warm to cool. This one probably needs to be recharged. And here's the remote next to your phone. Some instructions, and easily slides open. Feels sturdy. And I think there's a button. Yep, easily pops open. Let's see, you can do like this, or you can make them wider like this. So depending on how much room you have to set it up, it does give you some options, and it even feels pretty sturdy at this smaller footprint. All right, well, that's what it comes with. It comes with also a USB-C charging cable, and we'll get this charged up and we'll do a follow-up on review.